Hi everyone, Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet, and today I'll be showing you this 2018 all-wheel drive Hyundai Kona Luxury. Powering this accident-free SUV is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, getting you roughly 8 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers. Checking out the hatch of this vehicle, first you have lots of cargo space with this super handy cargo net to keep things from sliding around. You also have a nice little storage pocket there. And if we lift up the bottom, now you have a very nice organization for additional storage. And below that is your spare tire and tow kit. Now moving on into the interior, first you have your keyless entry right on the door handle. And opening up the door reveals your door and window controls, along with some extra storage in the door panel. On the driver's side you have power adjustable seats and this nice premium leather. Now looking on the dash, you have your blind spot awareness and lane keep assist. As well, now up on the steering wheel is your hands-free audio, and on the right side is your cruise control. This all-wheel drive SUV currently has 54,835 kilometers. Here you have a nice large infotainment system, all ready for Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Automatic climate controls, and two 12-volt adapters along with USB and an auxiliary audio port. Here is your heated steering wheel, heated front seats, and drive mode selects. Now let's check out the rear of the interior. Again, some additional storage in the door panel. In the back of both the driver and passenger seats, you have little cargo nets for storage. Here you have this nice great leather again with the 60/40 split folding seats. You also have a cup holder in the middle that can flip up to become a third seat in the rear. Thank you for watching this walk around video of the 2018 all-wheel drive Hyundai Kona Luxury. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person or take it for a test drive, come and give us a visit at Kelowna Chevrolet and our sales team will happily show you around.